So here are questions on the gigs for gigs. So given a binary string as of length n, we need to make this string a sequence of alternate characters by flipping some of the bits. Our goal is to minimize the number of bits to be flipped. So what question I want to say? Let's see step by step. So I write this is the whole question summary and with the solution. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve an interesting problem. Given a binary string, we need to make it alternate between zeros and ones with the minimum number of flips. Let's get into it. So that's step 1. So problem statement. So this is the problem step 1, problem statement. So the problem is we have a binary string of length n. We can flip bits, meaning we can change a 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Our goal is to make the string alternate like 0 1 0 1 0 1 or 1 0 1 0 1 0, and we want to do it with the minimum flips possible. Example, input is 0 0 0 0, so output will be 2 because 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0 both need 2 flips. Step 2, understanding alternating string. Okay. Step 2, understanding alternating string. An alternating string has no two consecutive characters. The same for what does that mean? Alternating string has no two consecutive characters the same. For example, 0 1 0 1 0 1 or 1 0 1 0 1 0 are alternating. If we look up closely, there are only two possible target patterns for any given length. Pattern A, start with 0 0 1 0 1 0. Pattern B, start with 1 like 1 0 1 0 1 0. And step 3 idea. We will compare. Step 3, what is the idea, bro? Behind this, we will compare our string to both patterns and count how many flips are needed to each. Then the minimum of the two counts will be our answer. Step 4, example walkthrough. Let's say example 0 1 0 0 0 1, pattern A, for which 1 0 1 0 compared to 0 0 1 mismatch at position 1 and 2 that require 2 flips. Pattern B, 1 0 1 pattern compared to 0 0 1 mismatch at position 1 0 that required flip 1. Minimum flip is equal to minimum of flip 1 and flip 2. Okay, 1. So step 5, algorithm. Initialize two counters, flip A for pattern starting with 0, flip B for pattern starting with 1. Loop through the string. If the character doesn't match pattern A, flip A plus plus. If the character doesn't match pattern B, flip B plus plus. Return with the minimum of flip A and flip B. Here is the code. So the code will be int minimum flips string n given. We initialize flip A, flip B, and we have a for loop for pattern A 0 1 0 1 0 1. If Si does not equal to this condition I mod is equal to 0. Then we flip A, we increase flip A, and same here for the pattern B, and same here for the pattern B. If it does not if this is not applied, this is not true, then if this condition we can flip B plus return of minimum A, flip A and flip B. Step 7, complexity analyze. We can loop through the string once, so the time complexity is order of n and the space complexity is order of 1. And what is that's how you can find the minimum flips to make a binary string alternate. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding problem solution. See you next video.